Hello YouTube gardeners! In our previous video, Fighting COVID by Boosting Our Immune System, we talked about 10 foods that help in supporting and improving the immune system to help fight off disease. And leafy greens are one of those foods high in vitamin C and many other vitamins and minerals. So today we wanted to share this amazing leafy green called Purple Lady. It's a BOKCHOY from Baker Creek heirloom seeds. What an incredibly beautiful vegetable and so full of amazing health benefits. BOKCHOY is known as the Chinese white cabbage, cultivated in China thousands of years ago, and is part of the same family as kale, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, collard greens, cabbages, and other cruciferous vegetables. 1 cup of this leafy green offers 35% of our vitamin C daily requirement, 26% of our vitamin K for bone health. It's got vitamin A and E, lots of minerals like calcium, magnesium, iron, potassium, and folate, which plays a role in the production and repair of DNA for anti-cancer properties. Medical News Today says BOKCHOY contains the mineral selenium, which helps to detoxify some cancer-causing compounds in the body. It also prevents inflammation and decreases tumor growth rates. Plus, this mineral has been found to improve response to infection by stimulating the production of T cells that identify and kill the invading bacteria and viruses. In this article, they go on to say potassium, calcium, and magnesium, all being present in BOKCHOY, can help decrease blood pressure naturally. So what an amazing little vegetable. And you all know my favorite. With all of this dark purple hues in the leaves, I can only assume it's rich in anthocyanins. So if you're looking for some foods to grow to help support a healthy immune system and an extremely beautiful leafy green to grow that provides you lots of vitamins and minerals, then grow some Purple Lady BOKCHOY. Alright, that's it for now. This was just a quick video to share with you this amazing, beautiful vegetable that we're growing. Pick up some seeds and add it to your garden. And hit the subscribe button. We have lots more delicious Asian greens to share with you. I hope you guys enjoy your week and enjoy your garden.